Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about SEO for affiliate marketers, boosting your visibility and rankings. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to increase your website's visibility, attract more organic traffic, and boost your affiliate earnings, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into effective SEO strategies specifically tailored for affiliate marketers. Let's get started. The first step in optimizing your website for search engines is thorough keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that align with your niche and have good search volume. These keywords should represent the products you're promoting and the problems they solve. Utilize keyword research tools to uncover valuable keyword opportunities. Aim for a mix of long-tail and short-tail keywords to target different search intents. By incorporating these keywords strategically into your website content, you can increase your chances of ranking higher in search results. On-page optimization is another crucial aspect of SEO for affiliate marketers. Ensure that your website's meta titles, meta descriptions, headings, and content contain relevant keywords. Optimize your URLs, image alt tags, and internal links as well. Additionally, focus on creating high-quality and engaging content that provides value to your audience. This will encourage longer page visits and reduce bounce rates, signaling to search engines that your website offers valuable information. Link building plays a significant role in improving your website's authority and search rankings. Seek opportunities to acquire high-quality backlinks from reputable websites within your niche. This can be achieved through guest blogging, outreach campaigns, and building relationships with other content creators. Remember, quality is more important than quantity when it comes to backlinks. Aim for natural, relevant, and authoritative links that will positively impact your website's SEO performance. Another important aspect of SEO for affiliate marketers is optimizing your website for mobile devices. With the increasing number of mobile users, having a mobile-friendly website is crucial for both user experience and search rankings. Ensure your website is responsive and loads quickly on mobile devices. Test its performance using tools like Google's Mobile-Friendly Test and PageSpeed Insights. By providing a seamless mobile experience, you'll cater to a larger audience and improve your chances of ranking higher in mobile search results. Regularly monitoring and analyzing your website's SEO performance is essential to identify areas for improvement. Utilize tools like Google Analytics and Search Console to track your organic traffic, keyword rankings, and user behavior. Analyze your data to identify trends, optimize underperforming pages, and make data-driven decisions to improve your SEO strategy. By staying informed about your website's performance, you can continuously refine your SEO efforts and stay ahead of the competition. Congratulations! You've learned powerful SEO strategies specifically designed for affiliate marketers. By conducting thorough keyword research, optimizing your on-page elements, building high-quality backlinks, prioritizing mobile optimization, and monitoring your website's performance, you can boost your visibility and rankings in search engines. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.